For our projectile lab, we'll be using Chromebooks, and I'm going to tell you a quirky feature. You want to use this model of Chromebook. Whatever reason, the orange models don't seem to work very well with the sensors. And so for your data collection purposes, you want this model here. You're going to be using the Chromebook, and you're going to be using this PhotoGate. PhotoGate, of course, has a plug here. It runs back to a USB link, which of course has a USB cable that will plug into the computer. But I'm going to go start to finish here on how we run this in order to figure out the velocity of our marble. So here you got your screen on the computer here, and whenever we want to run Sparkvue, go to the web store. Now, if you've already used this one computer and you've already downloaded the Sparkvue app, you should be able to go into your apps that you've done and look at it. But I gotta type in Sparkvue, the glare. Sorry about the glare. Sparkvue, like so. Okay, hit the button. It searches. Now, I've already downloaded it, so it's already in my app store. I can click on it right here, or I can come down and click on my apps and pull it up also if I already have it. But a lot of you are going to be coming right here to get Sparkvue. So here we are. Here's Sparkvue. Launch the app. So it's loading and configuring. It may give you a first time through thing. Don't worry about that too much. We want to get rid of that glare. Here we go. We want to go right in the middle for sensor data. And right now, the only thing enabled would be the microphone. So I'm going to plug in my PhotoGate into the USB. Okay. And wait on the screen here. It should pop up in a sec. There it goes. It popped up. And it's a SmartGate. Now, if you just go and click on this, it's not going to know it's not going to know how to use the SmartGate. SmartGates have a lot of purposes. So click here to configure your sensor. And you have lots of options. You want to come way down to the bottom, PhotoGate timing 1 PhotoGate, because that's what you're using. So you click on PhotoGate timing 1 PhotoGate, you hit OK. Flag length. So the way the PhotoGate works, let me grab another one, is you see those two things? Those are two infrared sensors. Okay, I call them the laser. Okay, they send a little signal back and forth, just like your remote control for your television does. And the flag length, this is representing the marble going through there. We want the diameter of this marble so that we can accurately get the time of it. Now, I'm holding one of the blue marbles. They do not fit in our marble launchers. You're going to need a smaller marble than this in order to launch it. They just don't work. So we need the diameter of our marble. To get the diameter of the marble, you need this tool. This is called a caliper. Calipers are good for measuring round objects. And so I'm going to get my marble here, and I'm going to get the diameter of it. Open up. Now, this is the diameter of my marble. Okay, I can kind of make sure that it's at the widest here, and then I can look at it. Now, so nice brushed here. So it starts at 0 over here, works its way through millimeters, and this line here is the one that we need to measure off of. And you can see that it's at the 16 millimeter mark. So that's in millimeters. And so our information here on the screen is also in millimeters. So I need to change this to 16 millimeters. Your information will not be 16 millimeters because you have to use a smaller marble. And then I can hit OK. And then time and gate, velocity and gate, I really don't want time. I want velocity. Because to do a projectile, we need to know how fast the thing's going. So, I'm clicking on digits. So now, one thing we gotta notice. When I hit down here, when I hit start, it's active. I'm going to take my marble, and for my purpose, I'm just going to roll it through just for fun. And there it goes. It goes rolling through. See how this light flashed red when it rolled through? And it was going real lazy, wasn't it? 0.08 meters per second. It was going real slow. Now, I don't have to stop it to run another trial. Here, I'm going to take it through. I'm going to really just kind of push it through Okay, look. But it flashed again. And look, a little faster. I'm going to do it again. Even faster. And then you can see how it's correlating there. Now that works because this marble, it's going to interrupt laser 1, go through, and then laser 2. And that's what it timed. Okay, look, 1001, 1002. I was going real slow on that. That's how the photo gates work. If they're not working, check your connections. I don't know why. Sometimes unplug it and replug it in. That's the key. Okay? That's how we use our photo gates for timing, for getting a velocity.